100 years ago, people dreamed of what the 21st century would hold. They imagined flying cars, soaring above the bustling streets, freeing us from the constraints of traffic and ground-level congestion. These visions were fueled by the rapid technological advancements of their time, sparking a sense of wonder and possibility. They envisioned robots doing our chores, taking over mundane tasks, and giving us more leisure time. These early concepts of automation were the seeds of what we now see in our homes and workplaces. While we don't yet have flying cars for our daily commute, the 21st century has already delivered astonishing technological advances. From smart cities with interconnected systems to autonomous vehicles navigating our roads, the progress is undeniable. We hold powerful computers in our pockets, capable of connecting us to the world in an instant. These devices have revolutionized communication, entertainment, and even how we work and learn. We send probes to distant planets, exploring the far reaches of our solar system. These missions provide invaluable data, expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. And now, we are building a 4G network on the moon. This groundbreaking project aims to enhance lunar communication, paving the way for future manned missions and long-term lunar habitation. This is not science fiction. What was once the realm of imagination is now becoming a reality, thanks to the relentless pursuit of innovation and exploration. This is the work of Nokia's Bell Labs, a pioneer in telecommunications technology. Their expertise is crucial in making this lunar network a reality. They are partnering with NASA to make this lunar network a reality. This collaboration between industry and space agencies is a testament to what can be achieved when we work together towards a common goal. The implications for lunar exploration are huge. Enhanced communication will allow for more efficient scientific research, better coordination of missions, and ultimately, a more sustainable human presence on the moon. The 21st century is proving to be an era of incredible innovation, even surpassing some of the wildest dreams of the past. From artificial intelligence to renewable energy, the advancements are reshaping our world in ways that were once thought impossible. As we push further into this century, who knows what wonders await us in the vast expanse of space? The potential for discovery is limitless, and each new breakthrough brings us closer to understanding the mysteries of the cosmos. One thing is for sure, the future of space exploration is bright. With each step forward, we are not only expanding our horizons, but also inspiring future generations to dream big and reach for the stars. Nokia's Bell Labs is developing a 4G network specifically designed for the moon's unique environment. This ambitious project aims to revolutionize lunar communication by providing a reliable and robust network that can withstand the moon's harsh conditions. The 4G network will be a critical component for future lunar missions, ensuring seamless communication between astronauts, rovers, and other essential equipment. This network will be crucial for future lunar missions, enabling communication between astronauts, rovers, and other equipment. With the ability to transmit data, voice, and video, the 4G network will support various mission-critical operations, from navigation to scientific research. It will also facilitate real-time monitoring and control of lunar rovers and other robotic systems, enhancing the efficiency and safety of lunar exploration. The challenges of building a network on the moon are immense. Engineers must overcome the moon's extreme environmental conditions, including drastic temperature fluctuations, high levels of radiation, and the absence of an atmosphere. These factors pose significant technical hurdles that require innovative solutions and cutting-edge technology. The moon has extreme temperatures, radiation, and a lack of atmosphere. Temperatures can swing from boiling hot during the lunar day to freezing cold at night. Additionally, the moon's surface is bombarded with cosmic radiation, which can damage electronic equipment. The lack of atmosphere means there's no protection from micrometeorites, which can pose a threat to the network infrastructure. Nokia's engineers have to account for all of these factors. They are developing specialized equipment that can endure the moon's harsh environment. This includes designing hardware that can operate efficiently under extreme temperatures and radiation, as well as creating robust systems that can withstand potential impacts from micrometeorites. The network will use specialized equipment designed to withstand these harsh conditions. This includes ruggedized antennas, durable communication devices, and resilient power systems. Each component is meticulously tested to ensure it can perform reliably on the lunar surface. The goal is to create a reliable and robust communication system for lunar explorers. This system will not only support current missions, but also pave the way for future lunar colonization and long-term human presence on the moon. By establishing a dependable communication network, Nokia is helping to lay the foundation for humanity's next giant leap. This 4G network is just the beginning. As technology advances, Nokia plans to upgrade the lunar network to 5G, offering even greater capabilities. The transition to 5G will enable faster data speeds, lower latency, and increased capacity, supporting more complex and data-intensive applications. Nokia plans to upgrade it to a 5G network in the future. This upgrade will open up new possibilities for lunar exploration, including advanced robotics, telemedicine, and high-definition video streaming. The enhanced network will also support the development of smart habitats and autonomous systems, making lunar living more sustainable and efficient. This will allow for even faster data speeds and greater capacity. The 5G network will be a game-changer for lunar missions, providing the necessary infrastructure for a wide range of scientific, commercial, and exploratory activities. It will enable real-time collaboration between Earth and the Moon, fostering innovation and discovery. The future of lunar communication is looking very bright. With Nokia's pioneering efforts, we are on the brink of a new era in space exploration. The advancements in lunar communication technology will not only benefit missions to the Moon, but also serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. The possibilities are truly limitless. Two key players in future lunar missions will be the Lunar Outpost rover and the Micronova rover. These rovers will be equipped to carry out a variety of tasks on the lunar surface. They will be our eyes and ears on the Moon. The Lunar Outpost rover is designed for long-distance exploration. It can travel for miles, collecting data and samples. The Micronova rover, on the other hand, is smaller and more agile. It is ideal for exploring tight spaces and conducting experiments. Both rovers will rely heavily on the 4G network for communication. They will send data back to Earth, allowing scientists to study the Moon in unprecedented detail. The rovers will also be able to communicate with each other and with astronauts. Reliable communication is absolutely essential for any successful lunar mission. Without it, astronauts would be cut off from Earth and from each other. This could have disastrous consequences in the event of an emergency. Imagine an astronaut exploring a crater on the far side of the Moon. Suddenly, their rover breaks down. Without a way to call for help, they would be stranded. Communication is not just about convenience, it is about safety and survival. A robust communication network will also allow for more efficient operations on the Moon. Scientists on Earth will be able to receive real-time data from experiments and observations. This will accelerate the pace of discovery. Section 5. NASA's Lunar Network. NASA recognizes the critical importance of lunar communication. That's why they are developing their own dedicated lunar communication system. This system will work in tandem with Nokia's fourth-generation network, providing even greater redundancy and capacity. NASA's lunar network will be capable of handling high-bandwidth data transmissions. This means that we could one day have high-resolution video calls from the Moon. Imagine being able to talk to astronauts as they walk on the lunar surface. This level of communication will be essential as we establish a permanent human presence on the Moon. It will allow us to stay connected with our families and colleagues back on Earth. It will also enable us to share our experiences with the world. Section 6. Biological Vaults on the Moon. One of the more ambitious plans for the Moon involves creating biological storage vaults. These vaults are envisioned as repositories for the genetic material of Earth's myriad species, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals. The concept is to create a backup of Earth's biodiversity, a sort of genetic Noah's Ark, safely stored away from the potential dangers that our planet faces. These vaults would contain the genetic material of Earth's species. This includes seeds, DNA samples, and other biological materials that could be used to regenerate species in the future. Scientists are working on methods to ensure that these samples remain viable for long periods, potentially thousands or even millions of years. The idea is to preserve this material in case of a catastrophic event on Earth. Such events could range from natural disasters like supervolcanoes and asteroid impacts to human-made crises such as nuclear war or climate change. By having a repository of genetic material on the Moon, we could potentially restore lost species and ecosystems. The moon's stable environment and lack of atmosphere make it an ideal location for such a vault. Unlike Earth, the moon is geologically inactive, meaning there are no earthquakes or volcanic activity to threaten the vault. Additionally, the lack of atmosphere means that the genetic material would be protected from weather-related damage. The genetic material would be protected from radiation and temperature extremes. The moon's surface experiences extreme temperatures, but the vaults would be built underground or in permanently shadowed regions to maintain a stable environment. Advanced shielding would protect the samples from cosmic radiation, ensuring their long-term preservation. It would be a safeguard for the future of life itself. By preserving the genetic blueprints of Earth's biodiversity, we would have the means to restore ecosystems and species that might otherwise be lost forever. This could be crucial for maintaining the balance of our planet's biosphere. However, there are significant challenges involved in creating such a vault. The logistics of transporting and storing genetic material on the moon are complex and require international cooperation. Additionally, the technology to keep these samples viable for extended periods is still in development. We would need to develop technologies to preserve the genetic material for thousands, if not millions of years. This includes advanced cryogenic storage and other preservation methods that can withstand the harsh lunar environment. Researchers are exploring various techniques to ensure the longevity and integrity of these samples. We would also need to ensure that the vault is secure and accessible to future generations. This means creating robust security measures to protect the vault from potential threats, as well as developing protocols for future access and use. The goal is to create a lasting legacy that can be relied upon in times of need, safeguarding the genetic heritage of our planet for the future. Section 7. Artifacts on the lunar surface. The Apollo missions left behind more than just footprints on the moon. They also left behind a collection of artifacts, a testament to human exploration. These objects range from scientific instruments to personal items. Among the most iconic artifacts is the American flag planted by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. This flag has become a symbol of human achievement and our indomitable spirit of exploration. Other artifacts include a silicon disc containing messages of goodwill from world leaders, a lunar rover, and even a family portrait left by astronaut Charles Duke. These objects serve as reminders of our place in the universe and the incredible things we can achieve when we work together. Section 8. The Moon's Formation and History. Scientists believe that the Moon formed billions of years ago when a Mars-sized object collided with Earth. This impact ejected a massive amount of debris into space, which eventually coalesced to form the Moon. By studying lunar rocks, scientists have been able to determine the Moon's age and composition. These rocks tell a story of a violent past, marked by asteroid impacts and volcanic eruptions. The Moon's history is inextricably linked to Earth's. It has influenced our tides, our seasons, and perhaps even the evolution of life itself. As we continue to explore the Moon, we are likely to uncover even more secrets about its past and its connection to our own planet. Section 9. Cosmic Curiosity. The development of a 4G network on the Moon is a testament to human ingenuity and our unquenchable thirst for exploration. It is a sign that we are pushing the boundaries of what is possible and reaching for the stars. As we venture further into space, we carry with us the same curiosity that has driven us since the dawn of humanity. We long to understand our place in the cosmos and to unlock the secrets of the universe. The Moon is just the first step on this incredible journey. Who knows what wonders await us as we continue to explore the vast expanse of space? One thing is for sure, the future of space exploration is full of promise and excitement.